This is Candy Apple TV. I am your host and founder, DIY Queen Diva. If you haven't did so already, make sure you hit that subscribe, like, and notification bell to keep updated with the best Candy Apple tutorials here on my channel, Candy Apple TV. In today's Candy Apple tutorial, we have Miss Minnie. I will be making the inspired Disney character Miss Minnie Mouse. I will be applying fondant to make these beautiful candy apples. I will show you how to make Miss Minnie Mouse face and bows for your candy apples. I will also show you how to make a tiara for the beautiful princess. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you leave those down below and I will answer your questions as soon as possible. Here I use a circle cookie cutter and black fondant to make the ears for Minnie Mouse. I use the same circle cookie cutter to cut a smaller portion off the fondant to make the ears look more realistic. I have a dozen of Minnie Mouse candy apples to make. I did not want each and every candy apple to look the same. So I am doing 3 different candy apples. That will be 4 sets. I have a small and medium pair of circles here. I am trying to match up which one would better fit the Minnie Mouse face for me today. I will be going with the smaller pair. Here is a new color fondant for Minnie Mouse face. This is the Minnie Mouse cookie cutter. All of these products are down in the description box down below. So when you're cutting out Minnie Mouse face, you want to make sure you go around the outline, go around the face. I use poppy paint to paint the eyes white and poppy paint to paint the tongue part red. I will use just small little pieces of black fondant for the pupils to put inside the eyes, and I have the nose cookie cutter part that came with this cookie set, and I will apply the nose to the fondant as well. If your fondant doesn't automatically stick, just dab a little water on the back of the fondant and apply the fondant. This is too cute. I am rolling out pink fondant. This is for a different Minnie Mouse candy apple style, so they won't be the same. Again, the cookie cutters are down in the description box, and you can click on those links to order your Minnie Mouse cookie cutters. With the face mask, I will be adding the name, and this fondant mold can be found down in the description box as well. I will also be using a framed silicone mold. This mold can also be found down in the description box as well. I am just trying to see how I will decorate the Minnie Mouse candy apples. I am getting my pink fondant. I am applying the fondant inside the number silicone mold. If your fondant becomes too sticky, make sure you have cornstarch or Talos powder. I'm pretty much used to fondant, so I don't have those issues, but if it becomes too sticky, I will pop it in the freezer. This little pink stick I am using is a molding tool. You can find this down in my Amazon bake shop. Okay, so this is the Minnie Mouse Princess cookie cutter. I use black fondant. I cut out the fondant with the cookie cutter. Now I am going to apply the tiara. I also use the pink fondant for the tiara, and you just cut it like this, and then you apply it on your fondant. I am using 431 candy apple recipe, 4 cups of sugar. This is 2, 3, it looks like 4, 3 cups of water, and 3. 1 cup of corn syrup. Give it a stir. Put it on the stove until it reaches 300 degrees. The candy apple mixture is ready. I add my white and just a dab of soft pink gel food coloring from Hobby Lobby. I dip my apples and then I decorate my apples. The fondant usually just stick on the apple, but if not, you can use a dab of water on the back of the fondant and apply it on your Minnie Mouse candy apples. I am just giving this candy apple mixture a mix and a good stir. A beautiful pink color. Rotate your apple all the way in the candy, bring it up and scrape it on the side of the pot. So with the ears, I just apply a strip of candy apple mixture and applied it on the candy apple. The bow stuck with a dab of water. The same with the frame, you can use a dab of water. The number 5 as well. This is a beautiful Minnie Mouse candy apple. The gold mirror sticks can also be found down below in my Amazon bake shop. If you have enjoyed this Minnie Mouse candy apple tutorial, make sure you watch my other candy apple tutorials right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.